Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. How to make money with Canva. 5 supering oil. The 5 supering oil, the best oil. Are you do font and Canva? How to make money with Canva. The 5 supering oil. Are you this Canva? Do you spirit heart and creative amazing design for your social media post, blog, graphics, and many more? The more design, the graphic design, the Canva. Canva is an online platform, very easy and simple, paid and free, premier and free. Use the lot of design. The present time very easy and short time, 1 to 5 minutes. Complete your any graphic design as like your Facebook post, Facebook cover design, TikTok design, Facebook reel design, Facebook reels design, etc. etc. Then same things, YouTube reels design, YouTube post design, and YouTube banner, logo, cover, thumbnail, etc. etc. Same Instagram, a lot of social media design. How to top 10 social media design. The easy to very easy to 1 to 5 minutes complete. The Canva is online platform. Very interesting. Canva sort of demand in the world. Yours one design complete and Illustrator, Photoshop, lot of time explained, but Canva easy 1 to 5 minutes complete any design. This is the possible the lot of buyer in the worldwide, the how to make money with Canva, the 5 supering oil. Thank you. Do is speed and imaging, the social media and the post blogs and then creative and Canva, who you right now in this the arts and sharing the with the 5 oil to earn the some extent cash online just by using Canva. Site is keep and outdoors in skill, the because the become a contribution. Become a contribution if you a graphic design looking to make some extend cash and gain more according Canva cultural be use and search. Join Canva is a contribution. Open the uploading shows your skill and increase your creatives. Fools you will help Canva exit and the calling and this. This is the earn and the same ads. You can miss in your base and 65 million people access 179 contents that using content that using the given your folk and potential audience. All of have the superior design in the money make in this someone Canva. Sell who you Canva template. This is the platform. This is the platform. Social media, graphic design, logo, banner, ebook, instant and present, remarks and flyer, and post, business card, and more design. If you test and design and clay kill and template and elite education races anyone critic and this earn how to specific in critic and but design sell you can but design so you graphic design is in the over eating design social media platform ebook and more that awesome. That awesome you have experienced the Canva design you can the opportunity spot to great and important feelings design and exciting that is the product and academy solve is the business problem, that what is the great more possible in design answer. Number 4, the sell t-shirt design. Canva is the most popular site in design custom t-shirt. As the t-shirt design, can you create design that is the people call and the around what is the knowledge, what is the option in the public stage. Best the Peters Canva design and t-shirt. Create and process t-shirt and calories. Here's the right to creative growth. You can add e-commerce website, Brew and Shopify, and this website now on t-shirt e-commerce. Teach Canva, your blog, and YouTube. One of the way to can create your business to grow by the teach others how to train that is own. I do many business can help me. And this is goal always in states and people and they make and some things and beautiful design and this the broad energy level. You can simply start a blog, will share ideas shows in Canva with audience. When YouTube provide you can great opportunity, you can make how to videos above the Canva please YouTube ads on the videos, the more can get ads and affiliate link and your videos to make. Understanding the Canva listening. Canva offer here the template and help in listening and possible and this then. So how have this Canva in imaging, Canva listening and this Canva auto state. The web app and visiting website and there's Canva how to throw lot of comments and this very interesting website, nicely presentation, how to make money with Canva, the five super OI. Are you the front of Canva? Do you see speed house and creating amazing design for social media post, blog and graphic design and many more. Well, we have the content make money with Canva if you bring ideas in articles, earn this five or each in the online platform because the contribution, because the contribution is result is contribution then and it is too. Sell Canva template. This is the platform where everything's need design and quit and social media graphics, logo, banner, ebook, and this flyer, and this flyer and more. If you have then creative and sale design. Number three, sell your design service. So your graphic design and sell it is and made this ebook and if it's and then earn. The sell t-shirt design. Canva is most popular. Canva is the most popular design, and the shade and kit and buys and and that artist. And the best perfect is the t-shirt and each link t-shirt and can few click and Canva will design and drawing e-commerce website and likely Shopify make website on your t-shirt and this teach Canva and your blogging and YouTube and etc. The understanding Canva licensing, how to Canva licensing, then understanding and will save on setup. Very interesting website. This is very interesting website. This is a website. Uh, Telk visit how to make money with the Canva Superium 5 OI. Nicely presentation. Thank you, my friend. Canva is a very interesting online platform. Easy to say how to use just online. Any design is 1 to 5 minutes the complete. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you, my videos. Best of luck. Share, like, comment, share, and how to make money with Fiverr. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend.